Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make use of your old carrots. So let's do this together. So what you need is an apple, some red onion, some coconut milk, some rosemary, garam masala, some ginger, and your old carrots. So the first thing that you need to do is to clean up your carrots and peel them nicely and clean. So this is the bulk of the work. So you're gonna spend some time here like I'm doing. I just want to make sure that the carrots are very nicely peeled, they're clean. And like you can see, I'm using quite old carrots that have been in my pantry for a while. But the beauty of it is carrots will always look old from the outside, but most of the time the inside is still intact. If you've not subscribed yet, please join the clan. I promise you're going to enjoy our content. Yeah, so once you peel them, they look like this, clean and neat. So at this point, I will remove the edges. Can you already guess what we're making? We're making delicious carrot soup. So keep it here, follow till the end. It's a very easy recipe. You can try it anytime. So I want to give a shout out to my kitchen mentor, Miss Kaluhi, who has given me tips and has helped me to become a better cook in my kitchen. So shout out to Miss Kaluhi. You can check her YouTube channel and get inspired. So make sure your carrots are diced nicely so that into smaller pieces so that they can cook nicely and faster. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm reducing the sizes. So like I was saying, Miss Kaluhi has been an inspiration for me in the kitchen. And the thing I like about her is because she's able to help you explore in your kitchen and come up with nice meals by using just the normal ordinary ingredients that you can find anywhere. Is this something that you'd want to try, or have you tried it? Please leave a comment. Let me know. Also, if you like the video, please remember to hit the like button and also the notification bell so that you know when I have new videos up. I'm now preparing the rest of the ingredients. That's the green pepper. Then I'll dice the apples, the ginger, and the onion. So I love to dice the onion, the last thing, because I don't like it to soak in a lot of air. So there are my ingredients. Ginger is there, onions, green pepper, apples, and my diced carrots. So what I'm going to do is I'm just pouring some oil in a heated sufuria, adding some onions, followed by my green pepper and ginger. So I'm going to give that some time to cook slowly and nicely. So you need to give it time to cook nicely, but not make sure that it doesn't burn. Are you enjoying this video? Please like it and subscribe for more. So once it's ready, it will look something like this and you will smell the aroma. At this point, that's ready. So I'm going to add my carrots, my apples, and the spices, that is garam and rosemary. And then I add my carrots and coconut milk. This is such an easy recipe. You definitely need to try it, especially for breakfast. For a healthy breakfast, I recommend. The next part, I will add some more water to give it time to cook nicely and well. So you need to keep checking to make sure that everything is cooking well. The water is still there. And when everything is ready, it will look something like this. The carrots are very soft and everything is nicely cooked. So allow it to cool down before the next step, which is now blending everything together. So I'm using my Mika NutriBullet to blend everything. You can still use a normal juice blender. It will work just the same. So you want to make sure that, the portions are good enough. Then the next thing you need to do is to add the remaining coconut milk and my secret ingredient. So I usually love to add some milk. So this is just for flavor and also making sure that everything blends nicely and achieves the right consistency. So that's my secret ingredient. Maybe it's not necessary, but if you fancy that, you can try it. So I'm just blending in everything together. So when using a NutriBullet, everything blends quite quickly. So what I do, I keep stopping after a few seconds. So you can repeat this over until everything is smoothly blended together and you're happy with the way everything looks. So the NutriBullet is such a powerful tool, so you need to be careful with it. Keep blending and checking the consistency. Make sure everything is smooth, because when you're taking in some soup, you want something that just flows in your mouth. You don't want to feel some particles or granules in your mouth. So you want to make sure that you're going for a very, very smooth drink. And that is the result. So at the end of the day, you want to make sure that you achieve the right consistency. So return everything back in the sufuria, reheat, and it's ready to serve. And something that looks yummy and inviting like this one. Mine I garnished with some vegetables, and I added some butter and bread to go with it. So I really enjoy this soup, and my family does too. So you need to try it. Please try it and leave a comment. I promise you it's really yummy. I enjoy it every time I make it, and I love to make it over the weekend, mostly because I have the time and it's a quick recipe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We love you so much. Thank you for the new guys who have joined the club.